Howdy folks, time to do today's CSS Battle Daily Target. Look at this guy, that's an interesting one. Let's load it up, see what it is. Okay, very intriguing type fellow. What do we got here? We've got, what have we got here? I think that the way I want to do this, we use the blank template, and we're going to create a block that is that wide. Background is that. We set that margin to 0, 100. I want to make this just as wide as it needs to be. Okay, 110. Okay, and then a height of 135. And then I think what I'd like to do is to create a clip path. Not on the body, a clip path here. My hope is that this will be straightforward polygon. So this will be 6-pointed clip path at 80% 0. No, actually, it'll be more like 40% 0, 60% 0, 60%, 50%, and 100%. Creating each point along the way, 0, 100%, and then 40%, 50%. So that's kind of the shape. It seems to cover the edges at the top and bottom at least, and if I can tweak these numbers, then I'll have a better chance. Looks like 75 pixels. Great. 75 pixels over. So that means probably that the other side is what? 105 pixels. So that's our vertical or horizontal. Okay, great. Then what do we need? We need to adjust the vertical numbers here. Not great. Definitely a tricky one. I've chosen to do it a harder way. Maybe that's a mistake. Probably it's a mistake. 40, 39. That angle is just not very happy there. How about 100 pixels down rather than a percentage? 50, 60. That's not too bad. Okay. What do we got here? Okay, we gotta get this right. Well, we are at least parallel. So let's do our second one. See if we learn anything from doing the second one, which we're going to do with a scale -1 Yeah, great. And then what, a margin 10 auto 2 3 3 3. Okay. So this is going to screw with my measurements, but if it's more consistent, then I'm going to be happy. 110. Oof. What do we got here? Oh, and one of the hard things here is that all right. So this is all wrong. Okay. Let's choose a different technique because clearly the way that I've chosen to do this is not terrific. So I'm going to make each one of these its own block. Let's see. Oh, okay. So margin of 0. Okay. Display of grid. No, flex. Flex wrap. I believe the width is something like, no, the width has to be 200. That's fine. Then we're going to set a margin of 0. Okay, so what do we got here? No, I hate this way too. All right, let's focus up here. We have 4 elements. Each one is margin auto, margin 0 auto, margin maybe 0 auto. Yeah, okay. And the margin of the body is 0. All right, so what do we got? So far, every paragraph element, so we're going to do margin 10 pixels, auto, width 10. Need to set a background. Height, width, P, margin 20 pixels auto, height 100, width 30. We need to set a background. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. PB, or rather B, is going to have a shallower height, so height 30. Okay, so here's where we're going. Okay, so are we in the ballpark? How about 80? 75. Okay, and then 35. How about 25? Okay, so then it's our margin 15, 25. Okay, now we're in the ballpark. So our width of these objects, of the B objects, is 100, let's say. Okay. Okay, now we can do a clip path that makes a little more sense. So we're going to make the B plus B element be the upside down version of it. To do that, we'll do scale -1, 1, I believe. believe. Or is it -1, -1? We'll do both. Why not? All right, so then we're going to add clip path. With 4 sides. 20 pixels, 0. 80 pixels, 0. 100 pixels, 100%, 100%. And then 0, 100%. 0, 100%. Blah, 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 blah. So what do we got wrong? 2, 10, 20, 20, 30. Great. And then how about the vertical? We're going to go 30, and then this is 1, 20, 30, 40, 50. Close. Needs to be a little wider, huh? A little bit wider. So that means great. And so our last polygon shift will be here. There it is. Okay, so after a lot of trickiness, so we set our margins negative to top, and then some margin by default on every paragraph element, so we get space between each one. The middle ones are special. They have a clip path. The second of the two gets scaled -1, and it's only the second one that needs a -1. We remove our extraneous semicolons. We minify. We unit replace. I don't think we've got anything there. Oh, we got one. And we resubmit, and then we're done. Oh, this is a really tricky one there. I wanted to do it in 2 elements, and just far too tricky. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.